Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install Paint.net on your PC or laptop. If you find this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight to the video, shall we? Alright, open up any web browser and go to getpaint.net. This is the official website of Paint.net. Now once you're here, you want to click on download under Paint.net here. And now if you scroll down a little bit, you'll see download. So you can download it from Microsoft, or you can get it from .pdn. So if you get it from Microsoft, this is going to cost you money, or you can download the free Paint.net and click on download now from .pdn. So go ahead and click on download now from .pdn, and on this page here you want to click on free download now Paint.net. This is version 5.0.1 free, time of the recording, so I'm going to click on that. And now this should start the download. As you can see, it's downloaded here. It's under 1 meg in size. So once that is done, go ahead and open up that folder. And now double click on Paint.net installer. Click yes. And then the following will be downloaded and installed Paint.net. So click on continue. So now give this a little bit to download, and then we'll start the installation process. So what I'll do, I'll pause this video and get back to you once that is done. Alright, once that is done, you'll be brought to this. And now what you want to go is click on to next from express install. Click on I agree, next, and now it's preparing to install. And now once that is done, you can click on finish and then start Paint. And there you go, you've successfully installed Paint.net onto your PC or laptop.